Hello, in this video, we're going to answer the question, how many integers between 50 and 100 exclusive are divisible by 2 or 3? We have our keywords between 50 and 100. Let me go ahead and mark that. Between 50 and 100, as well as exclusive and divisible by 2 or 3. The numbers from 50 and 100 exclusive are from 51 to 99. We have to exclude 50 and 100 simply because of this word exclusive. So we have 51 to 99. The next thing we have to do is find out how many numbers between 51 and 99 are divisible by 2. We're looking for two numbers. Let's take a look. In this range, the smallest number that is divisible by 2 is 52. The largest number that is divisible by 2 in this range is 98. We're now going to use a formula to calculate. We're going to take the largest number minus the smallest number divided by 2 plus 1. And that looks like this. 98 minus 52 divided by 2 plus 1. And we're simply dividing by 2 because we're taking into consideration the divisibility by 2 first. And then we're adding one we're adding one because we have to count the actual number of terms. That is, we have to include both the largest and smallest numbers in our calculation. That is very important. Let's do the math. So we have 46 divided by 2 plus 1, and that gives us 24. Next, we need to find how many integers there are between 51 and 99 that are divisible by 3. We're going to use the same formula. The only difference is that we are divided by 3 because we are looking for numbers that are divisible by 3 in this range this time around. We have 51, which is divisible by 3, and that's the smallest number that's divisible by 3. And the largest number divisible by 3 in this range is 99. Take these two numbers, 99 minus 51 divided by 3 plus 1. So 48 divided by 3 plus 1, and that gives us 17. As you can see, we found 24 integers that are divisible by 2 in this range, and we found 17 integers that are divisible by 3 in this range. We can add these two numbers together, 24 and 17. However, before doing so, we need to account for any overlap that may have occurred. Since we have numbers that are divisible by both 2 and 3 in this range, it only makes sense to also divide by 6. Okay, so what we have to do here is find numbers in this range that are divisible by 6 from one end of the spectrum to the other. Let's take a look here. The smallest number between 51 and 99 that is divisible by 6 is 54. The largest number that is divisible by 6 in this range is 96. Let's use the formula, 96 minus 54 divided by 6 plus 1. So that is 42 divided by 6 plus 1. This equals 8. As you can see, there are 8 integers that have to be removed or subtracted. Let's go ahead and do that now. So we're adding 24 plus 17 minus 8. And remember, it's minus 8 because we're getting rid of any overlap. This equals 33. We've answered the question, how many integers between 50 and 100 exclusive are divisible by 2 or 3? And that is 33. So hopefully this was helpful, and thanks for watching.